Hi everyone, welcome back to Build and Push channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Next.Js, a powerful React framework for building server-side rendered applications. Whether you're a beginner or experienced developer, this step-by-step guide will help you to get started with Next.Js in on time. So, let's dive right in. Next.js built on top of React, and it gives you features like server-side rendering, static site generation, and routing all out of the box. It's perfect for creating fast and dynamic web applications. Now, before we begin, make sure you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. If you don't have them installed yet, check out the links in the description for instructions. First, head over to Node.js official website and download the latest stable version of Node.js. Simply install it by following the instructions for your operating system. Now that Node.js is installed, let's go ahead and create our Next.js project. It's super easy. Open your terminal or command prompt and type the following command: npx create-next-app@latest. This command uses npx to run the latest version of Create Next App, which is a simple tool to quickly set up a Next.js project. After running the command, it will prompt you to give your project a name. Let's go ahead and name our project. For this example, I call it my-next-app, but you can choose any name you like. Once you hit enter, the setup process will begin, and it will install all the necessary dependencies for your project. Now that the project is set up, we need to move into the project directory. Simply type this command in your terminal: cd my-next-app, or the name of your project. Next, let's run the development server to see if everything is working. Type the following command: npm run dev. This will start the Next.js development server, and it should automatically open up a new browser window showing your application running on localhost 3000. If the browser doesn't open automatically, just go to your browser and type in localhost 3000. Here we go. This is the default Next.js homepage. You can now start building your app by modifying the files inside the app directory, which includes your home page, and start adding more features. And that's it! You've successfully set up and installed a Next.js project. From here, you can explore more about creating pages, routing, and API routes in Next.js. I'll be covering all of these in future videos, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumb up and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into the basics of Next.js. Bye.